How to get pictures from AliExpress. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and go to AliExpress, and once you do that, go to the product or the page of the product that you want to get the picture from. Say for example this one right here. Go to the product page, and once you're here, all you need to do is click and hold on the picture that you want to download, and it will give you two options. You can either download the image directly or click on open image in new tab, which will give you kind of better quality. And once you're here, click and hold on the image again and click on download image, and as you can see, the image has been downloaded. So that is it for this video. That's how you can take and download photos from AliExpress. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.